guys, it's me. So today I'm going to talk about something that I've never talked about on here before. My close friends and family know that about 5 years ago I mastered, it's probably more like 6 years ago, I mastered the art of extreme couponing. And in my couponing days, there was about a year in there that I couponed at least twice a week. And I could go get $200 or $300 worth of stuff, and I would pay $10 or $15. Like, I got good. And I stopped because even though I was donating a lot, I had so many more things left in my house. Like, we had a stockpile. It took us, I want to say, about 3.5 years to like use all the razors and the baby wipes, the laundry detergent. It took us forever to use up, and then I just never got back in it. Well, now that I have free time on my hands, I was like, I want to get back in it. I want to get back to doing more hauls and more, really like telling you guys about it. Because I think it's very interesting, and I think that there's a lot of misconceptions about couponers. And so I want to kind of break that down for you guys. Okay? We're not all, like, we're not out there cheating the system. We're doing it legally. Like, we take the coupons that are manufacturer's coupons and find where there's a deal on an item, and there's nothing wrong with that. And I'll explain more as we go. So I'm going to put up a picture here. This is my total haul for today. Alright, so the total amount of purchased merchandise today was $145.10. Okay? I'm going to go item by item and show you what's in there. I'm going to look at my phone because that's where I have my photographs. And I'll show you some of the items up close. Today wasn't as good as it could have been because I did take some extra time and I bought some things I wouldn't normally buy when I was couponing. But that's okay. So, let's go. Oh, that's my dog. Let's go with transaction number 1. So, I bought in transaction number 1 a pack of these wipes. Okay? There was a great coupon in the paper a few weeks ago, and it was $3 off any Almay product. Of course, Almay makes makeup, right? They also make makeup wipes. Now this week, Walmart has these on clearance for 50 cents a pack. This creates something called overage. That means my coupon has a higher dollar amount than the item. So therefore, I get $2.50 to go towards something else. That's how you make couponing work. So I picked up some of these. Alright, getting overage for those. These are Johnson & Johnson's baby bars. Okay, there was a great coupon in Sunday's paper for a $2 off one Johnson & Johnson item. These are $1.92. Okay, next. Guess what? Another Almay item. This was called a Super Value Pack. It is actually a pallet, and it was in the clearance section of Walmart. I had to dig through it. Be careful and remember that, Walmart doesn't necessarily pay attention to what coupons are out there when they put things on sale. So there's no telling what you will find if you just take the time to look. So we have here, yeah, they're really packaged these up good. This is, it's called Ambition, and it's a 4-shade mini palette. I don't know what Almay calls theirs. They're not palettes. They're little quads, maybe. And this is called Never Settle, and the other one is called Ambition. So that's good, right? Right off the top. But there's a bonus, and I don't know what's included in this. This was all part of the clearance, and this whole package was 50 cents. I used a $3 off coupon on it, so therefore, I made $2.50 off of putting this in my buggy. See what's in here. Nothing. It's actually just a container. that I'm guessing you probably put these in. But that's okay, and it's got a busted mirror. The point of purchasing this wasn't to have it. It was to get the overage from the coupon. So I actually looked up. I'm not going to use this, but I got 2 eyeshadow quads and made $2.50 off of the transaction. Okay. I got 1 pack of Schick razors because there is a $3 off 1 Schick razor disposable. And these at Walmart are $5.97. After $3 off, that leaves $2.97. And remember, I have made money on this. I purchased this because my daughter spilled something in my car. The total amount of merchandise was $2.96. That's counting the clearance item prices. After coupons, I paid $7.86. This was $5.97, and I had no coupon for it. Okay? So transaction number 2 was a really cool one. It was another pack of the Moma wipes. Remember, 50 cents, so I made $3 on it. If you haven't been to your Walmart in the last few days, you wouldn't know this, but they have a lot of stuff on clearance. There's a lot of toys. There's a lot of household goods like Walmart. You'll see here, this is the picture of transaction number 2. And I got a candle, which was 50 cents. Okay, and I love these candles. This is cucumber melon, right? It's a 3-wick candle. Nice to have around the house. Pack of Moma wipes. And then I got this for myself. It is a planner pack. Now, if you have ever watched any of my stuff on Facebook, you'll know that I love planners. I do a lot of planning. So for me, this was on sale for $5. Original price was $19.95 or $19.96, $19.98, something like that. And for me, I don't know if the calendar dates are for 19 and 20 or not, but just to get the gel pens, the washi tape, and the clips, as well as the monthly dividers, it's worth it. Okay? It is a 365 planner as well, so that's a really good deal. Total merchandise on this would have been $9.08 after clearance prices. I paid $4.25. All right, let's go to transaction number 3. Another candle for 75 cents or 50 cents. A makeup. Now, this is an Moma, let's see. It says Smart Shade Anti-Aging Skin Tone Matching Makeup. Alright, so this is a foundation. Now, this is obviously about 10 shades too dark for me, right? I didn't buy it to use it. My coupon was for $3 off 1 Moma product. And I may be saying that wrong. I'm sorry if I am. This was on clearance. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's $1, which means I make $2 on this transaction. So I had this, and I had to buy peanuts, so I didn't have any overage, and my total was 30 cents. Alright, let's see. Next up, another good one, and my daughter put it away. So Vaseline lotions. I had a coupon for them that you get $2 off 1. Okay, so that came out to a really good deal. So it was, in this one I did 1 Vaseline lotion, a pack of razors, a highlighter, like a Wet n Wild highlighter, 2 of these, and a pack of peanuts. Total would have been $18.20. After coupons, I spent $1.22. So I paid tax, partial tax. Okay, this transaction here, it was probably, it was almost my biggest. You'll see 2 Vaseline lotions, razors, makeup, an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, a fingerling. The fingerling toys, they have some that are dinosaurs. It's on clearance in the toy section for $7, but if you scan it with your phone, it actually rings up for $4. And that's, my nephew loves dinosaurs, Christmas covered. And then I purchased 8 of the mini wands, Harry Potter collectible wands. My daughter absolutely loves wands and is perfectly happy. You know, just a few minutes ago, I was like, hey, I would really like for you to go do this. If you do that, I'll give you these wands. $5 I spent on, or $8 I spent getting her wands as rewards or gifts, and she loves those. Perfectly happy with that. Now, the last transaction was at Dollar General. Oh, I guess you need to see it this way. Okay. Now, Dollar General can be a little bit tricky to coupon in. You have to download the app in order to get the Dollar General coupons. Now listen, you can mix Dollar General coupons and manufacturer's coupons together. So every Saturday, Dollar General has a deal, if you have the coupon, $5 off a $25 purchase. It'll come on all of your receipts like this that you spend throughout the week. You can get it on the app as well. They also had a really good deal this week that was an extra $5 off of a $20 Gain purchase. Now, we love Gain laundry detergent. So, I bought 2 bottles of Gain detergent that were $5 a piece, and then I bought 5 of the dryer sheets that were $2 a piece. That gives me my $20. Now, so I've already, that's $20, I say $5 off that gets me to $15. The other thing I purchased were Renewsits. I like these because I have a dog in my house. And they're not really strong. I open them up, they'll last about a month, and then I change them out. The coupon was buy 4, get 2 free. So that covers my whole house for 2 months for $4. Done. So I bought 6 of those. That gets my total to $25. Now, what happened at that point was I was able to turn around, use the $5 off of $25 purchase. So I've saved $10 plus my coupons, and the total on the purchase would have been $33.65. I spent, after tax and picking up one more thing, I don't remember what I bought though. Let's see, what did I buy? I also got Skintimate razors. They were $6, and then I used a $3 off coupon. At the end of the day, I spent $19.65, and it should have been $33. Okay, so I saved $14 in coupons. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of things. I'm going to show all of the pictures here at the end, as well as where I put them throughout the video. And I would love to share more of this with you guys. I typically go on Saturday mornings really early before everyone gets up and gets moving. Okay? Until next time, guys, I'll